How to download and install Exodus application on your Android. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial, I'll be showing you how you can easily download and install Exodus wallet on your Android. So first, just head over to your Play Store and simply search in for Exodus application just like this, which is a wallet crypto wallet, and simply tap on this. So this is its logo, and it has over 1 million plus download. You can simply tap on this install button from over here to quickly get started with the installation. So just have to wait for a few seconds until it completely downloads and installs. So once you successfully download and install, you can simply tap on this open button to open the application. And from over here, you can simply click on create wallet to get started with the Exodus crypto wallet. And you can either choose to receive or buy and start using the application right away. So that's it for today guys. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.